Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today, in the previous classes we have learned algebraic expressions, including, we have discussed about all the do this problems, examples problems, exercise problems up to 11.1, multiplying a monomial with a monomial. Now in this chapter we will be learning, in this exercise we will be learning about multiplying a monomial with a binomial and monomial with a trinomial. Now let's see, look at this question. The question is multiplying a binomial or a trinomial by a monomial. So multiplying a binomial by a monomial. So we are multiplying this. We are multiplying a monomial. 5x is a monomial, and look here, 5x is a monomial. So look here, 5x is a monomial. So we are multiplying 5x with 6y plus 3. So what is 6y plus 3? How many terms are there? We have 2 terms. So this is called a binomial. So this, when you have more than two terms, then that is called a binomial, isn't it? So this is called a binomial, right? If we have 2 terms in it, then we will call it as a binomial. Now multiply 5x. Now we are multiplying 5x with 6y plus 3. We are multiplying 5x with 6y plus 3. Now multiply 5x. 5x is a, what happened? Just a minute. I have some issue with my pen. So 1 minute. So multiplying 5x. So you are multiplying 5x with 6y plus 3. Now first what we have to do, it is a step-by-step process. We have to use distribution law here. What should we use? We have to use distributive law. Okay, what is distributive law? Distributive law is you have to multiply this inside. So according to distributive law, what is distributive law? We have to distribute it both ways equally, right? The same way, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, isn't it? The same way. See here, I will tell you. So see here, I'll tell you. What is distributive law? A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. We are distributing a equally with b and c. We have to multiply a into b plus a into c. Now see here, 5x into 6y. 5x into 6y plus 5x into 3. A into b plus a into c. 5x into 6y plus 5x into 3. So what is this? This is a multiplying, this is nothing but multiplying 2 monomials, right? So when you are multiplying 2 monomials, what should I do? We have to multiply the signs. Both are positive, so positive sign. Multiply the coefficients. 5 6 are 30. X into y is xy plus, multiply signs, plus into plus plus, 5 3s are 15. So we don't have an variable, so we write x as it is. So this is how you will multiply. So just multiply the terms. Multiply the monomial by the first term. So multiply the monomial with the first term, then multiply the monomial with the second term. So this is what distributive law states. Okay, 30xy plus 15x. Now look at this. Find the product of minus 4xy into 2x minus y. Now we will write this. Minus 4xy into 2x minus y. So multiply this inside. So according to distributive law, minus 4xy into 2x plus, sorry, it's not plus, it is minus y is there, no? Minus of minus 4xy into y. Okay, now multiply the signs first. Minus into plus, minus 4 2s are 8, x into x, x square, y term is not there, y term as it is. Now multiply minus inside, minus into minus, less, multiply the coefficients. If there is no coefficient, it indicates 1. 4 into 1, 4, x into a, there is no x term, x as it is, y into y, y square. So this is how we have to write. Now look at the next example. Find the product of 3m minus 2n square into minus 7mn, right? Now we will multiply this monomial inside. So I can write this way, or I can write like this, or minus 7mn into 3m minus 2n square. So multiplying it inside, multiply it inside, minus 7mn into 3m minus 7mn into minus 2n square. Now multiply minus into plus, minus 7 3s are 21, m into m square, n as it is, minus into minus, plus 7 2s are 14, m as it is, n into n square, n cube. So this is how you have to multiply a monomial with a binomial. Okay. Next, look at this. Find the product of 3x into 4ax plus 4by. Now first one is 3x into 4ax plus 8by, isn't it? Now write. So according to distributive law, 3x into 4ax plus 3x into 8by, right? Now see here, multiply the coefficients. 4 3s are 12, a term is not there, so a as it is, x into x, x square, plus multiply the coefficients. 8 3s are 24, b as it is, x as it is, y as it is. Now second one, 4a square b into a minus 3b. Now multiply this inside, 4a square b into a. Minus 4a square b into 3b. So 4a square b into a is 4a cube b minus 4 3s are 12, a square b square. So this is the second one. Coming to third one, p plus 3q square into pq. Now multiply pq inside, p into pq plus 3q square into pq. Now p into p square q plus 3, no coefficient means 1, 3 1s are 3. No p term is p as it is, q square into q, q cube. Okay, now coming to fourth one, m cube plus n cube into 5mn square. Now multiply it inside, m cube into 5mn square plus n cube into 5mn square. Now m cube, no 5 into 1, no coefficient 1, 5 into 1 5. So m cube into m power 4, n square as it is, plus 1 into 5 5, m as it is, n cube into n square, n power 5, because we are adding. Find the number of maximum terms in the product of a monomial and a binomial. The second question is, so when you are multiplying a monomial with a binomial, how many terms are we getting? Check once. So we will get 2 terms. Here 2 terms. So maximum we will get only 2 terms when you are multiplying a monomial with a binomial. So the answer for second one is 2 terms. How many terms are we getting? 2 terms. The next question. Multiplying a trinomial with a binomial. Now the example given in the textbook is 2x into 3x plus 4y minus 6. Now multiply this inside according to distributive law. 2x into 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 6 into 2x. Now multiply the signs, plus into plus. Plus not required, 2 3s are 6. X into x, x square, plus into plus, plus 4 2s are 8, x into y, xy, minus into plus, minus 6 2s are 12x. Okay, so now how many terms are we getting when you are multiplying a monomial with a trinomial? 3 terms. Now how many maximum terms? Look at this. How many maximum terms are there in the product of a monomial and a trinomial? So we will get 3 terms. Okay. Now complete the following table. Now first one is done for all of us. 5p into p plus q minus 2r is 5pq plus 5q square minus 10qr. Now look at the second one. Now let me change the color of the ink. We'll go with red. KL plus LM plus MN into now what is the second one? I'll do this here. KL plus LM plus MN into 3k. Now multiply this inside. KL into 3k plus LM into 3k plus Mn into 3k. Now multiply the signs, positive, positive, positive sign. 3 into 1, 3, k into k, k square, l, plus 3 into 1, 3, k, l, m, plus 3 into 1, 3, k, m, n. So the answer is 3k square, l, plus 3k, lm, plus 3k mn. Okay, next third one. Look at the third one. ab square into a plus b square plus c cube. Now multiply this inside. ab square into a plus ab square into b square plus ab square into c cube. ab square into a square, b square plus ab square into b square, ab power 4 plus ab square c cube. So this is the answer. A square b square plus ab power 4 plus ab square c cube. Next, look at the fourth one. Let's do the fourth one here. X minus 2y plus 3z into xyz, which is equal to x into x xyz minus 2y into xyz plus 3z into x, y, z. Now what is the answer? X into x square yz minus 2x y square z plus 3x y z square. We'll write it as it is. X square yz minus 2x y square z plus 3xy z square. Okay, now let's do the fifth one. A square BC plus B square CD plus minus ABD square into A square B square C square. Now multiply this inside. A square into A square, A power 4, B square into B, B cube, C square into C, C cube plus A square as it is, B square into B square, B power 4, C cube D minus A cube, B cube, C square, D square. I will write as it is. A power 4, B cube, C cube plus A square, B power 4, C cube D minus A cube, B cube, C square, D square. So this is the answer. Okay. Now now look at simplify 4y into 3y plus 4. 4y into 3y plus 4. Now multiply this inside according to distributive law. 4y into 3y plus 4y into 4, which is equal to 4 3s are 12 y square, y into y square, 4 4s are 16 y. So this is the answer. Now look at this third one. Simplify x into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Now according to distributive law, multiplying a monomial with a trinomial. X into 2x square minus 7x into x plus 3 into x. X into 2x square, 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3x. Now substitute x equal to 1, 2 into 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. 2 into 1 cube 2 minus 7 into 1 square is 7 plus 3. 2 minus 7 minus 5 plus 3, which is equal to minus 2. If I substitute x equal to 0, 2 into 0 cube minus 7 into 0 square plus 3 into 0. So 2 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. So the answer here is 0. Add the product. Add the product a into a minus b, b into b minus c, c into c minus a. First what I will do, I will do the multiplication. A into a minus b plus b into b minus c plus c into c minus a. This is what they asked us to write. So let's do it. A into a square minus a into b, ab plus b into b plus b square. Plus into minus, minus b into c, bc plus into plus c into c, c into c, c square plus into minus, minus ac. So this is the answer. Now when you add all these things, we'll get this answer. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So this is the answer we will get. Now find the product, add the product x into x plus y minus r plus y into x minus y plus r plus z into x minus y minus z. Okay, now multiply x inside, x into x square, x into y plus into plus x into y, xy. Now no sign means positive, minus into plus minus rx plus into plus xy Plus into minus, minus. Y into y, y square. Plus into plus, plus yr. Plus into plus, plus xz. Plus into minus, minus zy. Plus into minus, minus z square. Now see here, do we have x square term? No, x square as it is. Xy term, yes, 1, 2. So plus 2xy. Rx term we have? No, minus rx. Minus y square term? No, minus y square as it is. Plus yr? No, yr. Plus xz minus zy minus z square. So this is the product. If you add, we will get this answer. Okay. So if you if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section, or if you have any questions, you can ask me here. Okay, you can ask me, or if you want me to teach any other chapter apart from this, you can ask me to teach. Okay, no issues. I will be teaching to you. No problem. Okay. Next, subtract 2x into 5x minus 5 from 3x into x plus 2y. So what should we do? What is subtrahend and what is minuend in this? Okay, now what we have to see, what is subtrahend and what is minuend in this problem. So which is called subtrahend? The first one, the second one is called the minuend. Okay, so the one which is the expression which is being subtracted. So 2x into 5x minus y. So multiply 2x inside, 2x into 5x minus y into 2x. 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square, minus into plus minus, 2 into xy, 2xy. Okay, and this is 3x into x plus 3x into 2y. 3x into x, 3x square plus 3 2s are 6xy. So from which we have to subtract? We have to subtract. This is called the minuend. So this is called minuend. And this is called the subtrahend. So let's write like this. 3x square plus 6xy 10x square minus 2xy. So if we are doing subtraction, we have to change the signs. So plus 6xy plus 2xy plus 8xy. 3x square minus 10x square minus. So the greatest number is having minus sign, minus here. So 10 minus 3 is 7x square. So this is 7x square plus 8xy is the answer. Now subtract 3k into 5k minus L plus 3m. 3k into 5k minus L plus 3m from 6k into 2k plus 3L minus 2m. Okay, now multiply this inside. 3k into 5k minus L into 3k plus 3m into 3k. 3k into 5k 15k square minus into plus minus 3kl plus into plus plus 3 3s are 9mk. Now this one, multiply this inside. 6k into 2k plus 6k into 3l minus 2m into 6k. Okay, 6 2s are 12k square plus into plus plus 6 3s are 18kl minus into plus minus 6 2s are 12km. Okay, this is called the minuend. So this is called the minuend and this is called the subtrahend. Now we will write these terms. 12k square plus 18kl minus 12km, 15k square minus 3kl plus 9km. Now change the signs, plus minus, minus ni plus, plus ni minus changes. So 2 minus signs we will add it and write minus sign. 12 plus 9, 21km, 2 plus 21kl, 12 minus 15 minus sign, and 3k square is the answer. 3 is minus 3k square. So plus 21kl minus 21km. Change the signs of each term in the expression being subtracted. So you have to change the terms and then do the addition. So if two similar signs we will add it. If we have two different signs we will subtract. Next, simplify a square into a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c minus c square into a minus b minus c. Now multiply a square inside, a square into a minus a square into b plus a square into c plus b square into a plus b square into b plus b square into minus c. Next, minus c square into a minus c square into minus b minus c square into minus c. Now multiply it. A square into a is equal to a cube minus a square into b, a square b, plus into plus plus a square c, plus into plus plus ab square, plus into plus plus b cube, minus into plus minus b square c, minus into plus minus ac square, minus into minus plus bc square, minus into minus plus c cube. Now do we have any other a cube terms? No, a cube as it is. A square b unda? A square b, a square b, a square b, a square b, no. Minus a square b, a square c, no. Plus a square c, ab square, no. Plus ab plus b cube minus b square c minus ac square plus bc square plus c cube. So the terms, there are no repetition of terms. So that's why we have written as it is. Okay. Next, that's all this exercise is done for today. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.